What's up guys, Jeff Wong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna be doing a PR unboxing haul for you guys. So let's start. So simulan natin sa suot ko. This one, which is the Dye Origins tee. Yan, pocket tee. And this beanie, this Fisherman's beanie na from Dye Origins as well. Lahat ng products na ipapakita ko, ilalagay ko lahat ng links sa my description box. So, I'm gonna put their Instagram or if may website sila para you can shop too. And I'm gonna put it somewhere here. And next one naman is this watch. And it's from Fossil. And they just released their new smartwatch. I think parang 3 months or 4 months ago, I think, naglabas sila ng parang smartwatch. So now, ayan, they release yung smartwatch. Let's see. And as you can see, it is complete na. It has a heart monitor, meron siyang yung pang track ng workout, ganyan. So, it's perfect for sa mga fit buff, ganyan. Or sa mga nag-gym parate or nag-workout. Next are these shirts that I got from the Nines. So, do follow them at _9sph. And they're located at Uptown Mall BGC. So, let's check out what I got from their latest collection. Let's start with this one. It's Russell Athletic. The brand is Russell Athletic. So, yan. So it's plain lang and it's color pastel pink. So I got the pink one because I got I think the beige, green, and gray before. So yan. Then what I like about the Russell Athletic tees, kahit plain lang siya, is yung quality ng fabric. Yung quality ng fabric niya super nice and super, as in mafe-feel mo siya na good quality siya pag hinawakan mo. So better check it out sa may store na lang sa Nines. Then next one is this Thrasher shirt from the Nines as well. So I got XL na size because ubos na yung size kasi mabenta din daw itong design na to. I got this navy blue shirt. Tapos yung what I love about this is yung Thrasher niya. I don't know if you can see it, pero it's embroidered, so ang ganda ng quality. And it's different dun sa mga Thrasher na unang lumabas because this one is from Japan. I think yung una, from US or China lang siya. So, mas better pa. Ang ganda ng quality. Now, let's head over to the printed tees. Ito mga next na papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang, as in, pagkapasok ko ng store, ito yung una ko napansin because, so, ang ganda ng mga colors niya. This one is an Odd Future shirt. Yan. And this one is for Rhea, kinuha niya to. So it's size small. Yan. And yung back niya plain lang. I mean, walang nakasulat or anything. It's just tie-dye. Then I got 3 more colors. This one is the first. I got a yellow one. And as you can see sa my left side niya, it has a embroidered donut icon. Then at the back, it's their logo pero para siyang ice cream donut. Yan, Odd Future. And I also got this neon green one. Yan, at the left it says OF, which means Odd Future. Then at the back, it has the Odd Future logo as well. So yan. This is the last one. Last one is this. So my left side it says Odd Future, it's orange. Then at the back it says Odd Future 2. So for the sizing, I recommend going one size up because yung fitting ng shirt niya is medyo small. Usually ano lang ako, large lang ako usually. Oversized na yun for me. But for this one, I got XL because yung large medyo sakto lang yung fit sa akin. I want yung mga medyo oversized talaga na tee because I'm more comfortable with it. Yan. For these 3 shirts, I'm thinking of doing a separate vlog na parang how I style bright colored tees or bright colored shirts. So yun. I'm gonna put the link below if na-upload ko na siya. The next one that we are gonna unbox is these World Balance shoes. I think ito yung shoes na hype ngayon na pinapost ng mga tao sa YouTube and sa Instagram. So let's check it out. So they sent me this, yung Invictus na design or model. Yan. So ang ganda niya. So I'm gonna do a separate vlog or review about this shoe. So stay tuned, malay niya may pag-giveaway. And let's check out the other design that World Balance sent me. It's the Fairground. Style name is the Fairground. So they sent me this. Oh, ang ganda din. Sent me this. So it's, as you can see, it's a navy blue black and it has a neon green accent over here. Neon green World Balance logo over here. And so I'm gonna do a separate vlog for this and the Invictus. And I'm just gonna put the link below. The next one is from Shop Straightforward. Oh, sorry, Shop Straightforward on Instagram, but it's from Straightforward. And let's check. Check mo natin yung shoes. Feel ko shoes. Box. Yan. Super. So they sent me these. So super ganda niya as in when you feel it, as in quality talaga siya and it's super light. Then they also sent me a bunch of stuff over here. So we got this. It's a mini case, so so it's a mini case. We got a leather sunglasses case. Then we have a bunch of polos here. This is the super soft lounge polo shirt. Ganda. Then we have. They sent me, I think they sent me 2 bottom downs here. It says work and play shirt. So it's a button down too in color gray. But I think the highlight for the Straightforward is this one. So this one is I think only available online pa lang, and I think they're gonna release it in store soon, so make sure to check out their Instagram page for more updates. So next one is from Shop and Paul. They are a local brand here in the Philippines as well. So let's check it out. I think this is from their new release, I think this is from their holiday collection, which is their latest release. So let's check it. So here we got a hooded oversized tee. Para siyang sweater pero short sleeve lang. So the style is very Korean. Yan. So I got large as well because yun nga, gusto ko ng oversized na fit. Let's check out the other one. So here we got a black one. Similar lang siya dun sa beige, but ang difference lang niya is yung color. It's hooded as well, short sleeve na medyo oversized. So since it's oversized na, I suggest getting your own size because yun nga, oversized na yung fit. So if you're medium, get a medium and it's gonna be oversized na. Yun, check out Shop and Paul on Instagram. I'm gonna put it here and on the link below. And the last package that we are gonna unbox today is from Nike. So yun, from the box pa lang alam mo na, it's Nike Air Max 270. And let's open it. So it says, "Dear Jeffrey, the classic Air Max just got better. Introducing the Nike Air Max 270 React. Your very own pair of the classic Air Max is equipped with the React foam and Nike's newest technology. We hope you enjoyed these shoes." Let's check it. Hey guys, super nice. I think this is the newest colorway of the Air Max 270 React because I've seen yung mga Bauhaus collection before and yung parang may mga pastel color na blue, yellow, and red. But I like this colorway. And that's it for this short haul vlog. Make sure to comment your favorite item below and I'm gonna put the link of the separate vlogs, for example your shoes or your shirt, sa my description box below. So stay tuned. And that's it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @IamJeffOng and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.